In this lecture, we are going to talk about Python modules. So, the first thing that comes in mind is what is a module? Consider a module to be the same as a code library, a file containing a set of functions you want to include in your application. So, the first thing that we are going to check out is how can we create a module. So, to create a module, just save the code you want in a file with the file extension .py. So I'm going to define a function over here with this keyword diff, and then let's define a function with this name greeting, and here I am going to pass a variable. So it's a parameterized function which I'm using over here, and after this let's print a value inside this. Okay, so this is the code that I have mentioned over here. Now let's save this file with a unique name on the desktop. I'm going to save it with, let's say, my module1.py. With this name I'm saving it on the desktop, and here I go. Fine. Now I'm going to remove this whole now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use that module which I've created in some other file. Now we can use the module we just created by using import statement. Import the module named module1 and call the greeting function. So for doing that, we can import that module we just created like this using this import command, and here we can call that function module1, and then it is module1 dot greeting. So whatever value we are going to pass here in this greeting function, it is going to get assigned to that name variable which we defined in module1. I'm going to pass this value. Now let's run this project and check out the output. Why we are getting an error? Okay, let's save this file with a unique name first. On the desktop, I am saving it with module2, let's say. Okay, now I am going to build this project on Python platform. So here you can see that the output is coming. Hello Gaurav. It's getting reflected right in the bottom. Fine. So that's how you can create a module and import the same using this import keyword in any other Python file. Okay. Now the module can contain functions as already described, but also variables of all types, arrays, dictionaries, objects. So I'm going to create one more module here in which I am going to define a dictionary variable. Let's say person1 is the name of that dictionary variable, and these are the key values pair which I am defining inside this dictionary variable. So this is the value which I am passing for this key name. Then we are going to make use of this age. Okay, and because it is an integer value which we need to pass for this age, so we are not going to enclose it in double inverted commas, and after that we can pass a value for this country field. Okay, I am passing India for now. Fine, and now I'm going to save it with a unique name on my desktop. Let's save it with module2.py. I'm saving it with this name. Fine. Now, how can I import this module named module2 and access this person one dictionary. That's what we are going to see. So for doing that, I need to open a new file. Okay, and here I'm going to again make use of this import keyword, and it is module 2 which I need to import here in this file. Let's make use of a variable here. Module 2 is the name of that file, and what was the name of the dictionary which I defined in this module2.py file? It is person1, right? So how can we access it? uh, this is how we can access this person1 dictionary, and here whatever key you want to access, you need to define that over here like this inside these two square brackets over here. And now let's print the value of a and check out what is the output we are going to get. So for that we need to save it with a unique name on the desktop. I'm saving it with module 2 person. Okay, with this name I am saving this file. Now let's build this project and check out the output in the bottoms. So we are getting 32 here in the output part. Why? Because the age that we have passed over here in this module is 32 against this age key. Okay, now see, while naming a module, the file, whatever name you are giving to the file, make sure that you are putting .py extension after that. Okay, now how to rename a module? You can create an alias when you import a module by using as keyword. Suppose this is the module, the name of this module is module2.py, right? If you want to create an alias of this module and use it here on this in this file, how can you do that? So for doing that, you can make use of this is as keyword, and let's rename it to, let's say, person. Fine. Now this module 2 you have imported with this name person. Okay, so what you have to do, instead of writing module 2 over here, you need to write down person now over here in order to get the output. Now let's build this project and see what is the output we are going to get over here in the bottom. And let's replace it with, instead of fetching the result for age, let's fetch the result for this key name this time. Let's build the project on this Python platform and check out the output. So here we are, the output is getting reflected over here and it is perfectly fine. So that's how you can rename a module, or you can say that's how you can build an alias of a module. Now the next thing is built-in modules. There are several built-in modules in Python which you can import whenever you like. For example, there is a module called Python which you can make use of. So I'm going to make use of that module here in this module2 person.py file. Let's put platform over here, and to this a variable a, I am going to assign this value platform dot system and then brackets. Let's build the project and check out the output. So what is output we are going to get? See, this is the Windows operating system on which I've installed this platform, which I'm using on my desktop right now. It's Windows 7, so that is the reason Windows is getting reflected over here. Okay, now there is one more function, the name of which is dir. So it's also a built-in function to list all the functions names in a module. Fine. Now for using that, what you can do? You can replace, instead of using the system, we can put this platform inside this dir function. Okay, now let's see what is the output we are going to get when we'll build this project on this Python platform. So this is the output which we are going to get. So it's Windows, the Win32 server release, and everything related to this platform on which I'm working right now will be visible to you over here in the result section. Fine. Now let's come on. How can you import something from module? So you can choose to import only parts from a module by using the from keyword. Okay, so for doing that, I am going to let's do one thing. Besides this person one dictionary, let's define a function over here with this name greeting. Okay, and here we are going to pass this name as a variable, and inside this we would like to get this thing printed as an output. Fine, hello, and then it is name. Okay, now this is module 2. Let's save the changes. Now, how can you import only the person one dictionary from this module? That is module 2. On this module, the name of which is module 2 person.y. So what you can do, instead of using this import directly, we can put a keyword from. So it is from module 2, from which we would like to import what? We would like to import this person one dictionary. So we can do it like this. So now instead of importing the whole module, we are importing a part of this module, that is person one dictionary. The dictionary with name person one. So that's how you can do it. And let's now print the value. Let's make it a comment, and here we are going to print the value of this person one, and I need to fetch the age of the person. Let's now build this project and check out the output. So the age which we entered over here, okay, against this value, against this key age, that is 32, is getting reflected over here also in the output section. So that's how you can import any part of a particular module into some other Python file. Okay, this is it for this lecture. Hope you guys enjoyed it a lot. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and also please do share the link of this video with the other students so that they can also come and enjoy these free online Python coding classes on my channel. God bless you and have a great day. Bye bye.